Hello students, in this video we are going to study how to create a table in LibreOffice. So I have already installed the LibreOffice base and we have the title bar, standard bar, menu bars here. We have a working space here, and at the left hand side we have four sections: table, queries, forms and reports, and the right hand side this is the total work area where we have to work. Now whenever a database is ready, the first step is what you have to create a table. Just click on the table and create a table design view. So if the database is related to student, then definitely you're going to create a table related to student. So here I'll take the entries like S name, that is the name of the student. Okay. So you just have to click here, whatever is the data type you have to select, and you have to write in the description about the thing, that is the student name. Next is, now I am interested to take the address of student. So I'll just write s_address. Okay, so address is also in the form of text. So in the description I'll write student's address. Okay. Now the next thing is date of birth. Okay, or you can take a contact number, or you can take a city. So I'll just take student's date of birth, DOB. Okay, so here now we are just going to change. Here I'll take date as the data type, and I'll write here date of birth. Okay, so description is what? It is just required to describe whatever field name you are taking. Okay, whenever you are entering every field, just you have to make the entry required yes for each and every field. Okay, this is mandatory which you have to do. So by default it is no. You just have to make it entry required as yes. Okay, then and then only you can fill the data in it. After this you can just take S phone number. Okay, phone. So this will be having a data type as integer or number. You can take it as phone number. Okay, so this is how you can make the fields of your student. Now if you want to make a certain row as a primary key, you can see there is an arrow over here. So just right click on it and select primary key. If you want to remove the primary key, you just have to again do the same process and click. The primary key will go. Okay, but currently I want to make it as a primary key, so I'll make it. Okay, so for that I'll take one row, that is S roll number. Okay, so this is of data type number, or you can take it integer also, number also. So it is one and the same. And here I'll write roll number. Okay, in the description, and to this I'll make it as entry yes. Okay, now we'll just make it as primary key. Okay, now I've made it as primary key, and this is what is your table is ready in your student database. Just save it. Okay, now before saving, it will ask you for the name of the table. The database name is student, so the table's name we will make it as stud, and we'll press it as OK. So here they have said that there is no primary key. Whenever you are not creating any primary key, you are going to get such type of message. Okay, still if you want to continue, you can continue, but I suggest that you should include one primary key in your table. So this is the primary key, the roll number is the primary key. The primary key is the unique identity, so each and every student has a unique roll number, so I'll make it as a primary key. Okay, now if I try to save, again they will ask me for the name of the table. I'm entering it with stud, and now they are not going to stop me because I have already prepared a primary key. Okay, so I'll just close it. So in this you can see a table is ready over here. So this is the table which we created. If you want to view it, you can just click on it. So this is how it will look. Now it's time to enter the records in it. Okay, so the first record I'll enter as Ameya, and then I'll write here Pune. Then the date of birth, whatever it is, I'll take it as 2 1991. Then the contact number I'll enter anything whatever is required, and here the roll number I'll enter as 2. The same thing will be continued here. I'll enter as Shubham. The address I'll enter here as Alandi. Then I'll enter the date of birth as 2/3/1992. Okay. So here again the contact number I'll be entering as like that, and then the roll number will be entered by me as 2. Again the next name is Anjali. I'll enter the address as Nagar, and the date of birth as 3/4/1991 again, and then the contact number I'll be entering, and after that I'll give the roll number as 3. So this is how you are going to fill the entries in it. Okay, so you can fill the entries as much as you require in this table. Now if you save it, it is going to be saved. Okay, so if I close it and I open it again, so now you can see the entries which you had filled in it, they are there. Okay, so this is the edit mode. You can stop the edit mode. If you stop the edit mode, you cannot do the addition. Okay, so again if you want to start the edit mode, you can start the edit mode. So this is, it works like that. Okay, so the edit has one more option of delete record. If you have made some mistake over here, you can just rectify it. And you can write some other thing on it. Okay, but in case if you want to delete the whole record, just go in edit, go in delete the record. See, your record will get deleted. Whichever record you select, that particular record will be deleted. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. So you can add, you can edit, you can delete, you can make a table with the help of it. Okay, so there is an error inserting the new record. Okay, so we have made an error inserting in the new record. So we'll just go in the edit and I will write edit. Okay, the current record has been changed. Do you want to save the changes? So just click on yes. So now here we are just going to make the entries. We'll try to save, but there is an error in inserting a new record, so we'll just avoid saving it and we'll click on edit and edit the current saving record. The current record has been changed? No. Okay, so I will keep it like that. So this is how you can do the changes and edit your table accordingly. So I'm just going to post another video which is related to query soon. Do watch it, how to make a query using a LibreOffice base. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.